Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to know about the third lesson, that is tanks and groundwater. Already we have discussed about rain and rivers. Now, the third lesson, that is tanks and groundwater. So, what is the tank? Tank is a pool, a common pool for the common purpose of all people in the village. Okay? So, when you study about the tank's history, so there are many people, many rulers, and there is no technology, there is no irrigation facilities. The major irrigation facilities are the wells and tanks only at that time. Okay? So, who are building the tanks? There is no other source of water for drinking and irrigation. So that is why most of the people mostly depend upon the tanks only. So there is a lot of history about the tanks. Who built the tanks? So generally tanks are built across the stream. Suppose one stream is coming here. Okay? So here one wall is covered here. So this is the stream water. Okay? Here some plants. Water flow in this side. Plants cultivate. Here. Okay. And the water also can be used for other purposes. Okay. So likewise, tanks are built across the streams. Okay. Who built the tanks? Generally, tanks are built by rulers, heads of village, landlords, rich persons, rich communities. Okay? For the common purpose, for the sake of their name, and fame. Okay? And in the memory of someone else. Right? So likewise, tanks are built. In some other way, all the people village together fund built a okay, likewise tanks are building, right? So some tanks are building like this. Okay? Some tanks are building like this. Okay. Of course, if any person has built a tank which is not belong to them, tank is a common property. Tank is a common property. Not belong to anyone in the village. Okay, which is used by all people for drinking, right? For cultivation. Okay, for celebrations, worship, meeting, and gathering. Okay, gathering meeting is okay. So it's a common landmark of the people of a village. Here you come to that tank. Okay, bank of the tank. We shall meet there. We shall discuss the problems involved in the village. Okay, so that is why they are use the tank in different ways. Okay, and in fire accidents. Suppose unexpectedly, all of suddenly, if any fire accident occurs, how do you get the water? Can you dig a well? No. So, when the fire accident took place and takes place, the tank water can be used for stop the fire. Okay? So all the people of village together fetch the water and pour out on the flames in the burning spot. So automatically, by all together they can stop it before fire engine comes to the spot. Okay? So not only this, there are many uses of tanks. What are uses? For fishing. Fish also grow there. And for washing. So other tanks also there. Tanks can be for washing clothes, washing animals. Okay? So which is under the control of village panchayat. Okay? So they are maintaining the tank, supply the water, cleaning the water tank. Okay? These are all responsible will taken by the village panchayat. Okay? So after using all these purposes, in the summer, we shall use so the tank water is finished up, is coming down to the bottom. So there is a bottom of the tank is filled with fertile fertile silt is deposited. So, bottom of the tank. Okay? So, we can remove the silt by all people, and taking away that silt is a fertile soil is deposited under the tank, which is carried by the farmers and putting into their farm lands in the farm activity. So the crops can be grown, which makes the strengthen the crop and growing well. So for all this purpose, tank can be used by the village people. How many uses of the tank? Drinking, cultivation, celebration, worship, meeting, fire accidents, and even fishing, washing, and then the bottom of the silt also can be used for some people. The silt can be used for leveling their ground before their houses, okay, backyard or front yard, right? So we have going into the different activities. So we have a famous famous tanks are there. Okay, so before going to the purpose of tanks, and some people, we are also worshipping the god and goddess like Katta Maisamma. In Telangana, we are celebrating and conducting jataras and worship activities on the bank of a tanks. So we call them as Maisamma, Katta Maisamma. So people used to worship activities perform for the, so they worship Katta Maisamma. That means protect the tank. They worship for protect tank, fill tank. Okay? So they worship people, the Katta Maisamma, protecting the tanks, fill the tanks, for growing, for using of drinking and farm activity and farming. Okay, so this is a sentiment also there regarding the tanks. Okay, so in the memory of the rulers, also build the tanks. Ramappa Cheruvu. Okay, and one more tank is there in Nalgonda, near the Kodad, Verala Cheruvu. That is, yes, we can see that. In a Bethavol village. Okay, before that, Mission Kakatiya. This is about the government of Telangana. When it came to the power, they have introduced one of the irrigation for the development of the marine irrigation. So they have launched one government program, that is Mission Kakatiya. Actually, have you seen the picture? Rudramadevi? Yeah. During the Kakatiyas developed tank irrigation. Based on the Kakatiya irrigation system, tank irrigation system was irrigation system. The source of irrigation and drinking water for the Kakatiyas is only tanks. In the same way, when Telangana formed after Telangana formation, the TRS government has launched irrigation, the minor irrigation system, irrigation scheme, that is Kakatiya mission. Slogan, with the slogan of Mana Uru Mana Cheruvu. Mana Uru Mana Cheruvu. Okay, for the development of 47,000 tanks. Where the tanks are situated, where the tanks are, banks are repaired. So the main purpose of the development of the tanks, protecting the tanks, the strengthening the banks of tank, get the repair of the tanks. They have been spending near about the 45,000 crores of rupees have been spent for the development of, I don't know how long and how much, and how much benefit getting by the people, we can't expect that. This is not a new system, even though they relaunched the Kakatiya mission for the development and protecting the tanks first. Why? Because many of the tanks were encroached by the people. Illegal encroachments are more. Most of the tanks are disappeared in the Hyderabad, in the districts of Telangana, in the villages of Telangana. Most of the tanks were encroached, as well as some of the tanks are disappeared, cleared and occupied the people, and officially, unofficially, legally, illegally been occupied, and most of the tanks are disappeared now. Okay, so if it is go on for the development activities, some of the area, so the tank is empty, so now the development have been progress. That's why it is also one of the kind of development. So better to build some of the colleges, industries, and housing projects. So they have been established by the government, as well as where this tank is empty alone, with the influence of the political influence, official influence, they usually occupy that land, and gradually, for some extent, they are continuously occupying this site and constructing a small hut, and that will gradually develop, expand, and spreading to occupy the major portion of the tank areas. First, they build on the bank, and gradually they will spreading that. Such a way, so they are influencing the official as well as the political leaders, and they are getting the permissions. And even though illegal concerns also built on the banks of tanks and encroaching the tanks also. The best example in Verala Cherivu in Kodad, there is 3,000 acres that was reduced to 1,900 acres because of the illegal encroachments. Tanks also used for the fishing. So the Telangana government has a focus on the development of tanks, especially for the minor irrigation scheme. Through the tanks, tank water, the upland areas can be cultivated easily. Okay? So, when you are filling the tanks by rainfall in the rainy season, so we can store the water, which is a suitable irrigation system in the Telangana. Why? Because in Telangana is a plateau area. This is uneven surface. So, irrigation activities to be carried is very difficult. That is why, apart from this Kakatiya mission, even constructing the dams and other irrigation projects, government of Telangana is taking up the lift irrigation projects. Okay, any development activity which is not achieved the full-fledged development, again they are initiating and allocation of the public funds and spending. This is a continued process right from the independence. Okay, we are hoping that there should be a better benefit to be gained to the people through the